Here we go, guys. Free box time. Oh, I need bags.
How many bags?
8. What's up, Travis? Thank you. Okay, guys, here we go. Guys, by the way, the 7 to 8 p.m. giveaway, just thought I'd let you know, we're giving away a 72 Clemente, a 63 set break spot, and this Bowman hanger. 3 packs and a camo pack. I will open them if you'd like, or we can send them as is. Those are our 3 prizes, 7 to 8. Here we go, spot 1. Spot 1 in the break belongs to Michael Russo. Good luck. Going for, well, you know what we're going for here. A little Shohei Ohtani. Hunter Green. Spot 1 booty. Huh? Spot 1. Oh, we sold out the SP Authentic? Awesome. Spot 2. Russ. Good luck, Russ. Tristan McKenzie. Spot 2. Butte. Feel like spot number 4 is going to have something here. I don't know why. Spot 3. Michael Russo. Good luck, Mike. Again, these are free. All you have to do is spend $50. And we're giving you a free spot in a break. I mean, we're giving away free spots here. We don't, who does that? Free spots. Brandon McKay. Okay, we got half the box left. Half the box. Spot 5. Who's up on spot 5? Russo. Good luck, Mike. Verdugo. Okay, 3 more spots. Daniel, you're up. Oh, this is a good card. Austin Riley. Awesome. It's like a $50 card. Austin Riley, big league breakthrough. So how that works, guys, is it's a scratch-off card. Let me just double check and see what that thing sells for. And what that basically means is if the guy gets called up, you can redeem it for a prize. Let's see what this bad boy sells for. They normally sell for a lot of money. Guys, $50 card. Last one sold for $50. They're anywhere from like 25 upwards over $100. Awesome, awesome pull in a free box break. Leighton, got one of those redemption cards.
Ooh.
Austin Riley. It's like the last one sold for $50. Free break, by the way.
How cool is that?
It is cool.
So how do people? What do they do with that?
So if these are very hard to get.
Really?
Like, I'll tell you what the odds are on them. They're extremely rare. They are 1 in breakthrough. There are thousands, something. Oh, 223 packs.
Wow.
So basically, if the player gets called up
Mm-hmm.
during the regular season, you win a player debut prize. So you scratch the code.
And so you don't know what you're going to win.
I would think it's probably an exclusive signed card, which is really cool.
Yeah, that is
They
really
probably
cool.
don't make that many.
Yeah.
So that's spot 6. And we're up to spot 7 now, by the way.
Want those chicken fingers again?
Oh my God, yes.
All right, there you go. That was easy.
Jason B. Good luck. And how funny, we pulled the guy, Austin Riley. Top 100, he's the 100th best prospect. And we're hoping for some last pack mojo on Michael Russo. A little mojo for Mike. There's something in here. Got some green paper. Not a signature though. I was hoping for a signature. What it is, Matt Hall.
What's that number to?
99.
That's cool.
Yeah. But the big hit,
That was very cool.
that was a really good hit. And a free box. Uh-oh. You're not reaching into the bag of bagels, are you?
No.
Okay.
This one's going to go quick, Mike.
What is that?
We're going to do a camo pack, $50 per pack. Someone's going to get the camo pack.
Say again?
There's 4 packs.
$50
$50 spends, get you a pack. After 4 packs are sold, we open that up. Someone's going to get the camo pack.
Right, so in other words, the next $50, 4 entries. We'll rate them off.
That's it.
Awesome.
Yep.
All right.
I'm going to do one of them.
Cool. All right, we got some packs coming. I got this SP Authentic box. Yeah, Bob, I pulled a Vladimir Guerrero Jr. by the way as mine, which I'm like regretting. He's definitely going to be called up this year. What do you think? Have you seen him, Clayton?
No.
You haven't seen. So if you watch Vladimir Guerrero Jr. play third base for Blue Jays AA,
Looks like his dad?
it's insane.
Really?
The way he runs.
Is he like a rocket for an arm also?
He plays third base. I haven't really seen him field.
Well, yeah, you have to go run and play third base.
Correct.
Good agility, good mobility.
Yep, but you have to watch him when he runs and he hits. It's
like
the
a
same like that, and he's
Listen.
built like him.
That's where he learned.
Yeah, and he's even got the dreadlocks like him. So Ron, the camo pack, it's actually a 3-card exclusive. Every prospect has a camo parallel. So there's like Gleyber Torres, there's Hunter Green. There's no Ohtani, but all the other big time prospects are in there, and some of them sell for pretty good money, especially in PSA 10. So just figure I'd throw that out there. Let's get this SP Authentic going. It's SP Authentic Hockey. So, Bob, yeah, it was a good pull, that Vlad. I've had some good luck with the Bowman Blasters, guys, I'm telling you.
Yeah, it's a very
Bowman
good value.
Retail. I've killed it.
Yeah.
I've killed it. I would say that I probably actually am up a little bit on all the Bowman I've opened, which you can't say when you buy hobby. All right, let's get this going here. We got this 2007 SP Authentic. Guys, we listed a brand new hit random, just so you know. It's crazy what's in the hit random. Hey, Randy, what's up? Got a hit random for you, buddy. It's been a while. We got 6. Russ is still a nice card. All right, here's the order. Okay, guys, we're ready to go. SP Authentic Hockey. While I'm opening, and I'm gonna do a crazy. Hey, John, what's up, man? I'm gonna do a crazy thing. Layton, cover your ears. So can we? I would like to do something while I'm opening the SP Authentic Hockey. So here's what I'm gonna do. What do you think? Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to only those people who spend at least $50 while I am breaking the SP Authentic Hockey. I'm gonna give them a roll on a $100 pile. On top of everything else that they would get, only while I'm breaking the SP Authentic Hockey. Is that alright? Why not? Sure. Give it a shot, see if that works. So they get like an extra roll if they spend $50. So if they spend $100, they get extra rolls. Yeah. Only while I'm opening this box. That's $7.26 until I open it. Three autograph cards in this box. Let's see what we get out of this bad boy. Spot 1. Micah. Good luck. Commons. We want some patches. Spot 2. What's up, Michael? You got it, Mike. We're all good. I'll hook you up. What are you telling? What do we want to know about the weather? Huh?
They're checking the weather.
You putting it on the chat?
Yeah, you can see it.
Spot 3, Barry Roberts. Okay, thanks, Al Roker. You like that? You know, you're not laughing at me.
I like that, dude.
Not as funny as when the kid was choking and the chicken flew out of his mouth. Hercules! Hercules!
That was Brian.
There's an autograph. So spot 4, Carlos Bradley gets Steve Shutt. Is Steve Shutt a Hall of Famer?
I feel like I was getting him wrong.
Could be an open and shut case.
For like an hour.
What's that? All right. Spot 5. Oh, could be a patch, boys. Spot 5. Daniel Seltzer. No. We had thickness, but it's just a decoy card. I'm sure that's what Eddie Murphy was thinking back in the day. Just a decoy card. Commons on spot 6. Thanks, Ron. I figured you'd let me know. Here's spot 7. So, Michael, let me know what you like. So I assume you want the three of the 4 spots in the Bowman, or you can get 1 spot in the Bowman hanger, and you can get 1 spot in the archives. I got your rolls coming for you, and your 63 spot. Spot 8. Yari Curry, Collins. Here's spot 9. Barry Roberts. Commons. Daniel Seltzer, spot 10. You got it, Michael. Villy Cosatine. Michael, if you buy one more spot, you got the whole pack to yourself. If you spend $50 more, the whole pack is yours. Because there's 4 spots in there. Here's spot 11. Barry Roberts. All commons. Okay, spot 12, Stephen Earle. All commons. 13, George Neal. Commons. Spot 14, all commons. That's George. Spot 15, Barry Roberts. Guys, how is the 72 basketball still sitting there? I'm shocked. What is there, 7 spots left? Hey, Fred, those are good bagels, right? Aha! I knew Fred would take some of those bagels. Bagel boys, man. Bagel boys. Good stuff. Okay, we're up to spot 17. Kelly, good luck, Kelly. Wow, that's a weird pack. Tommy Mitchell autograph and then a future watch on the bottom. That just doesn't happen. Okay, spot 18. Stephen K. I feel like there's going to be something else in this box because that was just really weird. Here's spot number 19. Daniel. Ooh, Johnny Busick out of a hunch. Parallel out of a hunch. Spot 20, Daniel. Awesome, Michael, you're in. I'll open that pack for you right after this. Okay, 21, Tony. Good luck, Tony. Spot 22, Carlos. Martin Brodeur. I love it. 69 football rack. 23. Daniel, good luck. And we're up to 24. Last pack mojo for Daniel. Good luck, Snoop. Bobby Orr. Okay, SP Authentic Hockey in the books.